Hi, my name is Sister Clear Grace and I'm the Traveling Nunk. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel of The Great Aspiration. The Great Aspiration is a van build of a 2003 Chevy Express High Top 1500 series. And our intention is to bring an experience of how we embody the Dharma, how we share the Dharma in this nation, in this body, in this world, in this time, and to bring this into the midst of the people. The Great Aspiration is an intention, a meditation hall, and an opportunity to bring the temple to you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Great, look at that.
Oh, good.
Wow.
Let's see, cut that little piece.
All right, I got a blade right here. All right.
Awesome.
There you go.
That worked okay.
Really good. Wow, makes my insulation job look pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
That's it right there. She's a perfect fit. The first time. So today we're working on seeing if we still have a leak in the rear AC that we disconnected, and we went down to the auto parts store to rent this pump to see if we can figure out where the leak is. And we'll connect them down here, the low radiator and then the high pressure and then the low pressure. So we're out working on the car and we recharged the air conditioning unit with half a can, but we have a leak. We sprayed the soapy water down on the piece, let's see, right here, and we saw the bubbles come out. So we know that this $10 kit that we bought to block it off, either the O-ring is bad or it's just not a good fit. I bought these. This was a universal part that worked from like 10 years on many different vans, including the Chevy Express 2003, so I thought it would work. But now we're going to try to figure out how to seal this up. Wish us luck. This will be our second attempt at trying to seal off the leak, so keep you posted. We have cold air coming out of the vents. So it's going to be a cooler summer. And after about 3 or 4 tries, John, amazing friend John, was able to seal up the block off kit part that we purchased that didn't fit for this particular van. And now we have air conditioning. So it's pretty awesome to have cold air coming out of the vents. I'm super grateful. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave us a comment below to let us know that you are following along on this journey and support this path of practice. The Great Aspiration and Sister Clear Grace, bowing out. See you next time.